Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we've got another tool tutorial for you. This is a Hychika corded reciprocating saw, Sawzall, whatever you want to call it. And this is model 11501. So this is actually the first time that I'm putting a corded reciprocating saw to the test and kind of giving a rundown on it. I usually do the battery powered ones, but I got this one. Going to test it out, see how much more powerful it is than the battery powered. So we're going to be doing a quick demonstration after we show you this tool and how to use it. Okay, so we'll start off right down here. So you can see there's a little dial on the trigger. So to turn the saw on, we don't have it plugged in right now. You know, whenever you're messing with it or changing the blade out, you don't ever want it plugged in, or if it's battery powered, you don't ever want the battery on. So we're just going to do this and then we'll turn it on later. So this is the trigger that turns it on, and then this is your speed settings. So if you have it turned all the way, I guess if you're looking at it like this, all the way counterclockwise is the slowest setting, and then all the way clockwise would be the fastest setting. And then this is our lock button. So if you pull the trigger in and press the lock button, that's going to lock your trigger, so you could use it without pulling the trigger in, and you could kind of put two hands on it and really focus on what you're doing. And then if you want to stop it, you just push the trigger in and it disengages that lock. Okay, so there's not much to this. Really the only other thing is putting the blade in, and then you could actually adjust this shoe right here. So we'll show you that adjustment real quick. You can see it comes with an Allen wrench, and then there's two screws in here. So you would loosen these by turning them counterclockwise. So you just kind of start them, and then you don't want to remove them fully, just loosen them up. And we'll kind of show you. I don't know if you could see them in there, but we're just going to loosen them up so that we can move this shoe and just show you how it kind of slides. So you can see how that slides. So for this demonstration, we'll just push the slide all the way up, or the shoe, and then we'll go ahead and tighten these down. And then we'll show you how to put the blade in. It gives you two blades. It gives you a wood blade and a metal blade. So we'll show you that. So you can see here, this is the blade for cutting through metal, and this is the blade for cutting through wood. So we're going to be cutting through a scrap 2x4 that I have laying around. So we're going to show you how to put that blade in. So all we're going to do is turn this dial like that, and then put our blade in. So we're just going to turn the dial like that, put our blade in, and then we're going to release the dial. We're just going to release this like that. And then you just want to make sure that it's seated. You could give it, you know, kind of a light pull. Make sure you don't cut yourself. So that's seated properly. And then if we want to remove it, again, we just twist it like that. Take that out, and then we just release it. So twist, about a quarter turn, put your blade in. So it looks just like that. Let me show you. So we have it twisted, put our blade in, and then we just release that so it goes back, and now our blade's in and it's secure. Okay, so now we'll get power to this, and we'll kind of show you just how it starts on the lowest setting. So we'll turn the dial all the way this way, counterclockwise, plug it in and we'll show you. Okay. So you can see how slow it goes, and then we'll turn it about halfway. You can see it goes super fast, so all the way up. I mean, it goes super fast. So we're gonna cut with this all the way up. Okay, so now that we went through all the features, we showed you how to adjust the shoe, we showed you how to insert the blade, we showed you the different speed settings, so we have it turned all the way up, and we're gonna give you the demonstration now. Okay, so you can see here, we just have a scrap 2x4, and now when you're starting your cut, you don't want the blade resting on your material, because when you go to start it, it's gonna jump all over the place. So you want it elevated off your material. You wanna start the blade, get it up to speed, and then plunge down into your material. And you wanna be using both hands so that you don't, slip and nothing happens. So we're gonna start the blade and then we're gonna make our cut. Okay, and you can see you always want the material kind of secured down onto something. I just had that clamped down onto my workbench, but you always want it secured to something before you make your cut, because it causes a bunch of vibration, and that's how accidents happen, when you have excessive vibration and things slipping. So you can see it works really, really well. It's very, very powerful. So I probably didn't even need it all the way up, but I mean, if I had it all the way down, you could see, it wouldn't have went through that at all. So this is the Hychika Reciprocating Sawzall, model 11501. If you guys have any questions at all on this, be sure to reach out in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Like I said, this is the corded model. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel. I have a bunch of other tool DIY videos up. I have the Hychika power drill, brushless power drill that is battery operated, that I have a video on. So if you're looking to get into this Hychika line of tools, I'm going to be getting a bunch more of the tools and doing a bunch more videos on it. So be sure to subscribe, stay tuned for all that. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.